Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best electric fuel pumps. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Electric fuel pumps are known for their efficiency and durability, offering precise fuel delivery, even under varying engine conditions. They help ensure optimal engine performance, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Available in various designs and capacities, electric fuel pumps are crucial for both gasoline and diesel engines, ensuring that the fuel system operates smoothly and reliably. Number 5. ERIKC Electric Fuel Pumps. The ERIKC electric fuel pump is designed to offer reliable fuel delivery for a range of vehicles, primarily noted for its suitability in diesel engines. Manufactured in mainland China, this pump is identified by its part number, HEP02A, which serves as a key reference for its compatibility and specifications. Crafted from iron, the ERIKC fuel pump is built to withstand the demands of fuel transfer and handling. While the specific dimensions and weight of the pump are not detailed, its construction material suggests durability and robustness. As a component from ERIKC Diesel, a brand known for its focus on diesel fuel systems, the HEP02A is designed to meet the performance needs of diesel engines. The pump's design and features align with industry standards for electric fuel pumps, providing reliable fuel delivery to ensure optimal engine performance. Number 4. Pindex Electric Fuel Pumps. The Pindex electric fuel pump is a high-performance component designed to meet the needs of various vehicles. Manufactured in mainland China by the brand CARBOLE, this pump is tailored for efficient fuel delivery and reliability. Crafted from aluminum, the Pindex pump combines durability with a lightweight design. The 12V electrical operation ensures compatibility with a broad range of vehicles, and the pump is designed to handle currents of 1 to 2A. The pump features an inlet and outlet diameter of 3/8 inch, making it versatile and suitable for various fuel systems. It operates with a shut-off pressure of 4 to 7 psi, and provides a flow rate of up to 35 gallons per hour, GPH, which is ideal for ensuring consistent fuel delivery. Interchangeable with several part numbers, including FE0127, FE0539, E2484, and others, the Pindex pump offers flexibility for various applications. It is designed for use with carbureted systems, making it a good choice for domestic vehicles and older models. Number 3. CARBOLE Electric Fuel Pumps. The CARBOLE electric fuel pump is a reliable and high-quality component designed for efficient fuel delivery in a variety of vehicles. Manufactured in mainland China, this pump is produced by CARBOLE, a brand known for its focus on durable and performance-oriented fuel system components. As an electrical fuel pump, it offers the convenience of consistent and reliable fuel delivery, essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. This pump is crafted to meet OE, original equipment, specifications, ensuring it adheres to the standards set by original vehicle manufacturers for quality and performance. One of the key features of the CARBOLE electric fuel pump is its 5-year warranty, which reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the durability and longevity of the product. This extended warranty provides added peace of mind, assuring users of its reliability over an extended period. Number 2. Kisonied Electric Fuel Pumps. The Kisonied electric fuel pump is a high-performance component designed to meet the needs of various machinery and vehicles. Manufactured in mainland China, this pump is compatible with a range of models, including Hitachi CP223, EG65R3, EG70R3, FPC 1700, MA200, SCX500, and Mitsubishi ZX110. This pump operates on both 12V and 24V DC, providing versatility and compatibility with different systems. It is designed with a strong spring and a 180 copper coil, which contribute to its durability and high-quality performance. These features ensure that the pump can handle high temperatures and provide consistent, reliable fuel delivery. The Kisonied electric fuel pump is noted for its high-quality construction, which includes meticulous attention to detail and the use of premium materials. This construction ensures that the pump performs efficiently and lasts longer, even under demanding conditions. Number 1. VEVOR Electric Fuel Pumps. The VEVOR electric fuel pump is a robust and efficient tool designed specifically for transferring fuels like diesel, kerosene, and transformer oil. Manufactured in mainland China, this pump is tailored for both professional and heavy-duty applications. Featuring a 1/4 HP motor and operating on DC 12V, the VEVOR fuel pump delivers a maximum flow rate of 10 GPM, 37.8 LPM, ensuring rapid and efficient fuel transfer. The pump is constructed from a combination of aluminum alloy and cast iron, providing durability and resistance to wear and tear. This sturdy construction is well suited for the demanding conditions of fuel transfer tasks. Weighing 6.82 kilograms, the pump is designed to be substantial yet manageable, ensuring stability during operation. It comes with essential components for effective use, including an inlet hose, an outlet hose, and an automatic fuel nozzle, making it a comprehensive solution for fuel transfer needs. The VEVOR electric fuel pump's design caters to various applications, including the transfer of diesel, kerosene, and transformer oil. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.